Okay, guys, good morning. We see the Nasdaq just here, and we're a little in the morning, maybe at lunch at the United States. So we hit the ATR exactly here. Was hard hitting algos, and as expected, the ATR supported, which is a good sign. When you see this uh, perfect touch, this is a perfect touch. In reverse, you can expect the market to continue higher. So this is what we did here. I tried to short here and it didn't work. It stopped me out. Then I entered long here with 3 contracts, then added 3 contracts, and then exited here, then exited the other part here. I thought the market was gonna go lower. As you never know what's gonna happen. It's never, you never know. This is not like shoulda, coulda, woulda. Exit the trade and protect your money. That's what you need to do here. Okay, so we are already long right now. We see correlation that's up. Okay, so very little volume is very low right now, very low, and we see an imbalance pattern to the upside here. 1,600 contracts and 1,300 contracts in the ES, and we have blue arrows here, as you can see in the correlation dots, which is aggressive volume. So we're gonna stick to this trade. I do believe these guys can take it a little bit higher from here. Not too much, but nobody has the, I don't have a magic wand to see what's gonna happen. But I trade what I see, not what I think. Okay, as we see the the ES, it was a puncture here, as expected. When you see a puncture, what to expect? The market is gonna reverse. Okay, did a puncture here again, made a reverse. Okay, so you need to be aware of that. If the market doesn't touch the ATR, or it touches exactly, you can expect a continuation of trend. Okay, so that way you need to understand what the puncture means, and especially on the NQ. Okay, so the NQ does that a lot, so you gotta be aware of that. That here is a puncture. See, let's see. For example, here is a puncture. Okay, so the market reverses. So if you short here, you're gonna be stopped out. Then the market touches this one, the ATR, and to the tick, it reverses to go long. So that's how you play it, guys. You need to be aware of that. Don't get fooled. Okay, so like I tell everybody, it's okay to get fooled, to be fooled by the market. Okay, but you're gonna put a measure, 10 out of 10. Okay, you're not a good trader. You don't understand what you're doing. Once you start, being 8 out of 10, until you get to 2 out of 10, 3 out of 10. Now you're in a good range. You're understanding the market, because these guys are designed to take your money. Okay, so this is not a friendly background. Okay, so this is not friendly. This is very complicated. It's easy to lose money. Okay, so some people never make it because they don't manage a good strategy. They don't understand the signals. Okay, so you will not find an arrow here and tell you to go long. No, this is a congestion of signals, guys. This is a congestion of signals. Okay, what are the clues? What is the market telling you? We have clues. What happened when it rebounded at some area? Are you sure? Did you see what happened when the market touched the ATR? What happened there? What happened if there was a buy surge, a sell surge, the market stalled? Okay, what about if ES reverses? Did the Nasdaq reverse too, or it dried? So it's artificial. Okay, so these guys work in conjunction. You need to be able to stare whatever you see over here. Okay, so you need to be able to stare, to look at it, and understand what you see here. The markets have already been very complex. Nothing like you did before. It's very
Long signal
complex, very
NQ.
complex, not easy to understand. You see 9 prints in the same second in the micro NQ. 9 prints in the same second. That's a lot of buying volume, guys. But you never know. These markets they can turn in a dime. Okay, so that's what I'm telling you. You need a robust system, guys. A system that's gonna guide you. Okay, with order flow. Okay, so
Long signal
no
ES.
MACDs and all that crap that people use. That's worthless over here. You cannot use that. That's from the past. Okay, so that way you can be a better trader, guys. So if you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video, guys. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. Okay, the system works very well. You can make money, but you need to be proactive. Okay, with the trading. Don't let the if the loser, don't let it go against you. Okay, so try to minimize your risk and exit the trade when you need to exit. Scale out, okay, and scale in when the market is running. You can scale in. Okay, so I couldn't scale in here because market was really it's too slow. I don't like this type of environment. Even if it's too fast, it's too fast. If it's too slow, it's too slow. So it's unpredictable. You don't know what's gonna do. You see, guys, clear signals. Okay, you see the sellers. You see the imbalances, shorts over here, 498,
Target filled.
472. This one was big, 1800 contracts. Okay, but as you can see, this is profit taking. Okay, these are profit taking. You don't pay attention to this. This was very shy, 572 up, correlation dots. Then we see 1300 contracts, and I think it's 1800 contracts here. And well, you see the buyers piling up here, just piling up. That's the clues that you need to look for. Those are the clues that I always tell people. Let the story develop. Okay, this is like a story. Okay, just look at it, wait for it, let the market do what it's got to do, and then you react to the market. Okay, guys, have a great weekend. We'll see us on Monday. I'm done for the day.